Guys, Saturday, so here's where I am. I just did a log count. So I did a log count and then I got distracted, of course. So it was like almost 90 over here, and I think it was 125 or so over here. All right, so here's what's going on. These right here are like super small, as are these, and I just need to go through these, and that should balance this side and that side out. So far I love how it's coming along now that I have these sides done. Oh, well, I still have to tighten this side. I attached them, but I didn't tighten them. Now these have been attached, and so these have been attached and tightened, and as you can see up here in this puffy area right here, they need to be tightened. And I think I'm going to add the extension to these after I wash them. The back is pretty much ready to be installed. I'm gonna do the 2 sections in the middle of the back after this, and go from there. But I got to wash my hair, so what I'm going to do is I'm gonna lock these down, and then I will wash my hair. And it's so funny because I do have a retie on April the 3rd, but so far so good.